Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my Ipsy and my Play. Again, I'm not doing Birchbox anymore, but that's okay. Okay, so the Ipsy bag this month is very sporty spice, right? Okay, and the first thing in here is this nail polish that I have on my nails, and it is a lovely lilac-y kind of a color, and this is from Emma. VSNP, I don't know what that is. And the color is Mia is my BFF. It's on the box, but it's not on the bottle. These nail polishes are 7 free. Basically, they don't have anything bad in them, and they're only $4, which I thought was a really great price for nail polish, and I really like the formula. It's kind of thin, so you definitely need at least 2 coats, but on the second coat, like this is only 2 coats, and I feel like it's nice and opaque. It went on really smoothly. It's been on for a couple of days, and so far, no chipping or anything, so I'm really happy with it. And I like the color a lot too, so I was really excited about that. I think that, you know, I may even look into getting more of those nail polishes. And then I have 2 items that I'm going to be putting into my giveaway pile. If you are new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Thanks for watching. What I do is I take the samples that I already own or I know I won't use for whatever reason, and I put them in a pile and then eventually do a giveaway. I actually just did one not that long ago. So anyway, these 2 products are Mary Luminizer. Of course I have this. It's a cult classic. Cult favorite? I don't know, whatever. Anyway, it is an amazing highlighter from THEBALM and it's just a really pretty color and I love the BALM products in general. So anyway, I will be putting this in my giveaway pile as well as this Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I have tried this before and it's fine, it's lovely. I can't remember exactly how I felt about it other than I saw the name and I was like, oh yeah, I know that. I don't have any true feelings toward you, but I know that I've tried it again. So I must not have been crazy about it, but I don't think that I disliked it either. Another cleanser, this one is actually a mask. This is a Microfacial Exfoliating Mask from DERMELECT. I used this morning and it's got kind of that scrubby, you know, exfoliating kind of a thing, but then you leave it on your skin for 10 to 12 minutes and then it has kaolin clay in it, which helps absorb your oils and purifies your skin, all of that goodness. It kind of reminds me of the Derma E 2-in-1 charcoal mask. I will definitely use up this sample because I can get several uses out of this, no problem. And I do like that type of mask. The like scrubby, leave it on, it dries, sucks everything out of your pores, and then you wash it off, scrub again. And my skin felt super soft. And I used it this morning and I'm telling you, my makeup just went on like a dream. So I'm loving that, it's great. And then the last thing in here is this eyeliner from BELLAPIERRE. This is in the color Metallic Green. I find the name to be very misleading because there's nothing metallic about it. It's just kind of a light Kelly green. Let me give you a big fat swatch on my hand there. Look at that. That is like Kelly green, right? I mean, but it's not metallic in any way, so I don't know why they call it metallic. I put it on today and then I ended up just sort of like smudging it all over my eyelid and putting Venom from Makeup Geek on top of it to get like an intensified green. It doesn't go on very easily. Like, okay, that's me coloring it in for 5 minutes. If you just do like one line, it's not super pigmented. And even though it feels a bit creamy, like swatching it on my hand, I felt like it kind of tugged a bit on my eyes and I just had a hard time getting it to actually go on and give me any sort of color payoff. So I'm kind of meh about this, even though I do like BELLAPIERRE products in general. So anyway, that is my Ipsy bag. Moving on to my Play. I got this GLAMGLOW Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I really like this. It is a foaming cleanser. It gets everything off your face. So I actually really like this. This is meant for more like normal to oily skin, and I have dry skin. My skin's like normal to dry, but I feel like this is the kind of thing that I would use occasionally, not necessarily every day. It's more like a nice, good I don't know. Anyway, I did like it, and I think that it did a really awesome job. And then this is from Fresh. This is Rose Floral Toner, and it's just a rose toner. You can either spray it on throughout the day, use it as a makeup setting spray. You can also use it, you know, just on your bare skin as like a refreshing toner. I like it. It's really expensive. Like the full size of this is $40, and I have a rose toner from Mario Badescu that's like $7, and I really like that one as well. And I can't say that I like this one any better than that one. So, but I do like this, and you know, I'll use it my sample. This one is going into my giveaway pile. This is from Clinique. This is the Pep-Start line, and this is the eye cream. And I really like it. I actually really like everything in the Pep-Start line from Clinique. And you know, it's just a really great eye cream, does all the things it's supposed to do. So that's going in the giveaway pile. And this is a primer from SMASHBOX. This is the Primerizer. I'm so glad to have a different primer from SMASHBOX. This is interesting. It's very liquidy, and it's supposed to be super hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid in it, as well as some other things that are supposed to be hydrating and, you know, nutrient rich, which I like the idea of having skincare in it as well. And as far as being a primer, I thought that, you know, it seems to have done a good job. My makeup went on really nicely. I don't know if it will last any longer, but it's supposed to. This is also a smoothing primer, and it does have dimethicone in it, which normally I try to get away from, but so far I like this. And then the last thing in here is just these foil samples, no perfume this month. These are from ALTERNA Hair Care, and this is the CAVIAR Anti-Aging Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner, which obviously I haven't used yet, but I've used other things from this line and really like them. So that's it, that's all I got. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!